Bonjour les amis, welcome back to French IB Hub. Today we're going to dream big in French. We're planning our rêve de vacances, our dream vacation in a French-speaking country. You'll learn how to talk about where you want to go, what you want to do, and what you want to eat, all in simple French. Ready? Let's take off. Section 1. Where do you want to go? First question, où veux-tu aller? Where do you want to go? You can answer, je voudrais aller à Paris. I'd like to go to Paris. Je voudrais aller à Nice. I'd like to go to Nice. Je voudrais aller au château de Versailles. I'd like to go to the Palace of Versailles. Say it with me. Je voudrais aller à. Plus, your dream place. What's your dream destination? Section 2. What do you want to see or visit? Now, let's talk about what you want to see. Qu'est-ce que tu veux voir? What do you want to see? Here are some ideas. 1. Je veux voir la Tour Eiffel. I want to see the Eiffel Tower. 2. Je veux visiter le Louvre. I want to visit the Louvre Museum. 3. Je veux voir la mer. I want to see the sea. 4. Je veux visiter un château. I want to visit a castle. You try it now. Je veux voir. Plus, a famous place. Section 3. What will you eat? French food is famous around the world. Qu'est-ce que tu veux manger? What do you want to eat? Examples. 1. Je veux manger une baguette. 2. Je veux manger un croissant. 3. Je veux manger une crêpe au chocolat. 4. Je veux goûter du fromage français. Say your favorite. Je veux manger. Plus, your favorite French food. Section 4. Where will you stay? Où vas-tu dormir? Where will you sleep? Je vais dormir dans un hôtel. I will sleep in a hotel. Je vais rester chez ma famille. I will stay with my family. Je vais dormir dans un camping. I will sleep at a campsite. Try saying one now. Section 5. Your full dream vacation plan. Now let's put it all together. Say this out loud or write it in your notebook. Bonjour, je m'appelle Place, your name. Je voudrais aller à Place, city or place. Je veux voir, Place, monument or landscape. Je veux manger, Place, food. Je vais dormir, Place, where you will sleep. Merci et à bientôt. Bravo! You just described your dream vacation in French. You're amazing, les amis. Now it's your turn. Write your own dream vacation paragraph and share it in class or in the comments. Remember, practice makes progress. Use pictures or drawings to go with your text and speak with confidence. Comment below. Où veux-tu aller en France? Merci beaucoup et à très bientôt.